Hi guys, in this lecture we are going to know about how to print in Java. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, the line is system.out.print. Okay, the word is hello. We are going to print hello word. And the another one is system.out.println. That is stand for line. Okay, and let's say hello dear. Okay, so what does the line work? What the work? So the work is that being a programmer, if you are a programmer and you write these lines in your program, okay, then what will be the result? Okay, so the result is hello for this line and hello dear for this line. Okay, and one thing I have to clear to all that you are thinking that I am just starting the code and I am not telling the background. Okay, so for 2-3 lectures or 4-5 lectures you just understand what I want to tell. You just listen me clearly, that's all. In 3-4 videos you behave like those little babies to whom I tell A, so you not ask any question why this is A, right? This is A, yes, it's okay, this is A. This is B, so yes, it's okay, it's B. So in 3-4 lectures you just behave like this, that whatever I told you, you just listen clearly, that's all. Okay, now like import java.util star public class my first program. So you are thinking what is this? So just believe me for 2-3 videos, and after that I will tell you the whole thing. You have to behave like that baby. Okay, so public class, you find this thing in every program of Java. Okay, so you just believe me, and after some videos I gonna told you that why we use this. Okay, and this is our name of class. Okay, and public static void main string. Okay, you don't go deeply, you don't have to go deeply. Okay, now we are going deeply in other sessions. Okay, so now we are going to write system dot out dot print, and let's say hello again. Okay, and the output will be output, let's say here we get the output. Okay, so we print hello. So after we run this program, what we get? Hello. Okay, and what is the difference between print and println? So I'm gonna tell you that let's say we are again write this system dot out dot print, and let's say dear. Okay, and dear. So when we run this program, what will the output? Dear. Get my point? Not get my point, I think. Now we are importing the line. Okay, now we are including the line function also. System dot out dot print ln, and let's say hello again. Okay, hello again. So what will be the output now? Hello. Getting my point? What I want to tell? Getting my point? I hope you are getting my point. That what is the use of this ln? It just simply change the line. Okay, we don't use ln here. So what will the output? Hello dear. In one line, no space, nothing. And when we introduce this one, so output will be like this in proper manner, in a proper order. Okay. Recently we have learned that what is the role of print ln, what is the meaning of ln. I hope you know. So now do some interesting thing. Okay. So we have to print this pattern. Okay, a triangle of a star. Okay. So I think that we need four print statement, right? Print ln statement to print this star, right? Let's do it. So system.out.print, I write it s.o.p. okay. System.out.println star, then change the line. System.out.println double star, triple star, 4 stars. Okay, what we do? System.out.print star, 1 star, then change the line. Okay, what we do? 2 stars, change the line, 3 stars, change the line, 4 stars, right? Understand? So we can do it with the help of 4 system.out.print statement. Okay. Now if we want to do this thing with a single statement, can we do? I think we can do. Okay. So let's get start. How to do? So I want to introduce you this \n. Okay. We use this ln or we use this \n. Both are same. Okay. How to use? I want to tell you. System.out.print double quotes, single star, /n, quotes close, right? What we do? Do star, single star, and n. What does it mean? It means change the line. Okay. Now double star, \n, change the line. Triple star, \n, change the line. 4 stars, \n. If you want to close, then you can use it or not. Up to you. Does not do any effect on this code. Okay. I hope you understand these things, and we will meet in next lecture. Thank you so much.